Alright, so quick little how-to review on starting a new project in Adobe Premiere for our video projects. So first thing we'll do is just click New Project. Okay, next thing we're going to do is just make sure that capture format right here is HDV. Next thing you do is just under location here, you're going to click Browse. You guys are going to go to your data drive, go under your folder. Okay, create a name here, whatever the project is. So for this one, Shots and Moves, and hit Select Folder. And I'm just going to hit Cancel here. You guys can hit Select Folder. And then under here, you're going to give it a name. So it should be last name _ Shots and Moves. Okay, and we'll hit OK. Once this loads up, okay, if your screen doesn't look like this, just make sure you go under Window, Workspaces, make sure that Editing is clicked, and you can always hit Reset to saved layout if you're missing any of these toolbars. Okay, next step, we need to create a new sequence, so we need to go File, New, Sequence. Okay, under here, make sure you click on this AVCHD, 1080p, and then 1080p 30. You can give your sequence a name if you'd like, and then you hit OK, and then you should be ready to go. Next thing you need to do is just make sure you've clicked where it says Project here so that you can drag your files into this. And then just remember that Premiere does run a little bit better if you use this list view rather than the thumbnail view. So click on list view, and you should be ready to go.